Hello, in this video I want to show you how to delete all mails from Gmail. And to do this, first is to select entire page of your Gmail with this box in the top left corner of the screen. Now you should be able to see select all 562 conversations in a box, and you may have a different number. So select them all and then simply click on the delete bin icon. Confirm it, and now all of the mails should be gone, but it might take some time. Page, and most of them are gone, so we can try again because it's a bit buggy when you have a lot of mails. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.